Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is Kissy Tech at your service, bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of smartphones and gadgets. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our tech tips, reviews, and tutorials. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of RealMe smartphones, focusing specifically on one of their popular models, the RealMe Note 60X. This device has made waves in the consumer electronics market thanks to its impressive features, sleek design, and affordable price point. Whether you're a proud owner or considering picking one up, stay tuned because we've got some crucial information that can save you time and money. In this video, we'll be talking about a vital aspect of smartphone maintenance: LCD replacement. Yes, the screen is arguably the most important part of your device, and if it gets damaged, it can really impact your user experience. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through everything you need to know about replacing the LCD on your RealMe Note 60X, including signs of screen damage, DIY tips, and when to seek professional help. And of course, we've included a product link in the description for high-quality replacement LCDs, so you can get started if you decide to do it yourself or want to know what to ask for when visiting a repair shop. Alright, let's get started. Why is the LCD screen important? Your smartphone's LCD, liquid crystal display, isn't just about aesthetics. It's the window to your entire device. It displays everything from your home screen, apps, photos, videos, and messages to the interface you interact with daily. A damaged or malfunctioning LCD can cause cracked or shattered screens, flickering or unresponsive display, dead pixels or discoloration, touch sensitivity issues. When your LCD fails or gets damaged, it hampers your overall experience and can even affect the functionality of your device. Common causes of LCD damage. Understanding how your LCD can get damaged helps in prevention. Common causes include accidental drops or impacts, exposure to moisture or water, excessive pressure or bending. Manufacturing defects, rare but possible, using your phone with a case that exerts pressure on the screen. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consider a replacement. Signs you need an LCD replacement. Here are some telltale signs that your RealMe Note 60X's LCD needs attention. Cracks or shattered glass, black spots or lines appearing on the screen, touch responsiveness issues, bright spots or discoloration, screen flickering or unresponsive areas, no display at all, despite the device turning on. If you're experiencing any of these, don't wait. A timely replacement can prevent further damage. DIY LCD replacement? Is it feasible? Now, many tech-savvy users ask, can I replace the LCD myself? The answer: it's possible, but it requires patience, proper tools, and some technical know-how. Pros of DIY: cost-effective, learning experience, quick turnaround. Cons of DIY: risk of further damage, voiding warranty, if still under warranty, potential for improper installation. Replacement LCD screen, linked in the description. Step-by-step guide to replace the LCD. Here's a simplified overview of the process. Remove the SIM tray. Heat the edges of the device slightly to soften adhesive. Use a suction cup and pry tools. To carefully lift the screen, disconnect the display connectors inside with precision tools. Remove the broken LCD completely. Connect the new LCD carefully, ensuring all connectors are secure. Reassemble the device in reverse order. Power on, and test the new screen for responsiveness and display quality. Note: for detailed visual guides, check out specific tutorials for the RealMe Note 60X on trusted tech sites or YouTube. When to seek professional help. If you're unsure about DIY or don't have the tools, it's wise to visit a certified repair technician. Professional repair shops have the expertise and equipment to do the job safely, ensuring your device remains in top condition. Final tips in maintenance: use a sturdy case and screen protector to prevent future damage. Avoid dropping or applying excessive pressure. Keep your device away from water and extreme temperatures. Regularly clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. Product recommendations and link. If you're ready to replace your LCD or want to keep a spare, check out the high-quality replacement LCD linked in the description below. Make sure to choose a compatible part for the RealMe Note 60X to ensure perfect fit and function. That wraps up our deep dive into LCD replacement for the RealMe Note 60X. Whether you're doing it yourself or seeking professional help, being informed is the first step to maintaining your device's longevity. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching Kisi Tech, your go-to source for all things tech.